Amana Living provides a full range of aged care, including affordable housing for seniors, residential aged care, home care and day clubs. Their aim is to provide the highest quality facilities and services in the communities they serve. Despite regular cleaning and maintenance, the vinyl floor had seen its fair share of use and abuse from shoes, walking frames and furniture, not to mention food and beverage spills. And the now heavily marked and scratched surface had become a place for dirt and bacteria to settle.
So these floors have been down for about 8 years. We were considering laying new floors, but with the increasing costs over our sites, we were looking at ways that we could reduce those costs.
The Amana Living team were after an alternative, more cost-effective solution and soon made contact with PeerlessJAL to investigate. PeerlessJAL is a proudly Australian-owned and family-run company and has been an industry leader since 1947. PeerlessJAL is the exclusive supplier of Dr. Schutz floor renovation and maintenance products, including the Dr. Schutz floor remake system.
It was certainly something we needed to have a look at. I went out and had a look at the product at another site and I was impressed.
Since 1955, Dr. Schutz floor care products have been specially designed and developed in Germany, providing premium, long-lasting flooring solutions for the commercial and industrial space in over 70 countries worldwide. Not only does Dr. Schutz look great, with a nearly infinite selection of colours, shapes, images and effects to choose from, and it is guaranteed to last for 3 years without having to recoat. Through PeerlessJAL's exclusive partnership with Dr. Schutz and its network of trusted suppliers Australia-wide, Amana Living arranged to Schutz its floor.
There was a very quick process, very good communication regarding what was actually happening.
For Amana Living, the entire process took just 12 hours across 3 days, meaning residents and staff were not inconvenienced nearly as much as if a new floor had been laid.
I'm impressed with the vibrant look and certainly has done the job. Yeah, it's very positive at this particular time and yeah, we'll go to other sites and do the same thing.
So, would they recommend Dr. Schutz to others seeking a similar cost-effective flooring solution?
Certainly if you're able to reduce the cost by 40% and it looks good, absolutely we would be recommending it.